Hey everyone, today at Miss Cayce's we're going to show you how you can decorate a garland just like a pro. We're going to take this basic garland that you can hang up and change out so easy from season to season just by adding and taking away a few little things. We have a pattern we follow, and if you follow it step by step and use your different components, at the end you'll have a fabulous decoration. Something you may not be doing if your garlands aren't looking full is you may not be layering them. So that's what we're going to show you, how you can take different components we have here at Miss Cayce's and the way you layer them and stack them to make the garland look full. So first off, we're going to show you, this is just our basic garland with a black and white ball garland wrapped in, hanging on the wall. If you have kids or pets, this garland is great because these balls are shatterproof. You can hang it up, take it down, store it however you want, and nothing's going to happen to it. It is such a full garland, and it covers so well versus putting balls in and out. Black and white is so big now for every holiday. We decorated with it for Halloween, for fall, for Christmas, for spring. So people were taking their Christmas stuff and transitioning it, for the whole year. The first thing we're going to add is our ribbon. Our ribbon at Miss Cayce's, we love stacking using 3 or 4 different patterns. These are all wired ribbons, so you can kind of see they kind of have some structure. This ribbon is great because it's so thick and sturdy. You can take these back off of your garland, store it on something, and next year it'll be right ready to go back on. For this Halloween one, I only added 3 bows. You can always add as much ribbon as you like. What I'm going to do on this one is add some big statement pieces. My favorite things to use are like our new burleys we have in. My other favorite is our round top collection. We have these great pieces and we have them for every season. The great thing about these round top pieces, as you can see, I am tying them to the garland with wire from its hook, so they can be hooked onto anything. But what also is great, they have a place where you can put an actual stick, so they can go in a pot, an urn, anything like that. So you can use them so many different ways. And then we add some coordinating ribbon kind of to go with the garland, so it kind of gives it that finished look on your front porch. Our next step is we're going to take different floral picks and add to it. The first pick I'm going to add is this great black and white one with the harlequin print. I'm also going to do this great pumpkin pick. We can use it to kind of stick out and give it kind of a 3D look. People ask me all the time how to make their garland symmetrical and how to make it look even, and that's the great thing. It doesn't have to be. It's all about trial and error, and don't be afraid to go in there and kind of stick them wherever you think and get back and look at it. It's always a process of moving things around. The next thing I do right before I'm done is I kind of go in and kind of twist it, kind of give it some dimension, bring it in and out, and then you're done. This one literally just used a few products. We had our garland, our ball garland, ribbon, our round top, and our floral picks, and that's all it took to make this garland this full. For this Halloween look, shop these products online or come in the store and we'll help you get them picked out.